Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about one of the top mortgage lenders in US 2021. Here is the list of best mortgage lenders of 2021 according to US News. And today we are going to discuss about PNC Bank. PNC Bank, the minimum the minimum down payment for PNC Bank is 3% and the minimum credit score for PNC Bank is not disclosed yet. It has a star rating of 4.5. Lenders are rated using a calculated overall score based on affordability, eligibility, customer services, and many other factors. PNC Bank is one of the largest US banks serving more than 8 million customers in all 50 states. PNC offers most types of mortgages. Before you apply for PNC Bank, you should go through these points. These are mortgage types, minimum FICO credit score, maximum loan amount, Better Business Bureau rating of PNC Bank. The mortgages type offered by PNC Bank are fixed rate, FHA, VA, USDA, ARM, home equity, line of credit, refinancing, medical professional mortgage program, jumbo, PNC community. The minimum FICO credit score is not disclosed yet. Maximum loan amount is $5 million for PNC Bank and it has a rating of A plus according to Better Business Bureau rating. Here is the review of PNC Bank mortgage by US News. Its best features are multiple mortgage product lines, no or low down payment mortgages are available, online home ownership cost tool. It also has some drawbacks, large number of consumer complaints, 2 out of 5 JD Power consumer customer satisfaction rating. Here is the current mortgage and refinance rates for April 2021. You can find out the current mortgage here. Mortgage products offered by PNC Bank are traditional mortgage, mortgage refinancing, mortgage with no down payment, 1 by 1, 3 by 1, 5 by 1, 7 by 1 and 10 by 1 ARM loans. US Department of Agriculture loans. Next one is US Department of Veteran Affairs loans, Federal Housing Administration loans, jumbo loans, home equity loans. How could you qualify for a PNC Bank mortgage? PNC Bank does not disclose its minimum FICO credit score or maximum debt to income ratio requirements. Up to $5 million jumbo loans are available for PNC Bank. The mortgage fees for PNC Bank is also not disclosed yet. Mortgage calculator. Here you can see how much home can you afford. PNC Bank has a A plus Better Business Bureau rating, but it has also some flaws. The customer service section says that the common issues for the customers were trouble during the payment process, struggling to pay the mortgage, applying for a mortgage or refinancing an existing mortgage, closing on a mortgage, incorrect information on reports. PNC Bank provided a timely response to the CFPB for all issues with 320 issues closed with explanation and one closed with monetary relief. It also has online features. PNC Bank offers online pre-approvals, tracking and planning. Applicants can check rates online, make inquiries, and execute disclosures during the mortgage process. PNC mortgages are best for people who want to consider a wide variety of mortgage product types. People who want to work with large, well-established bank, they can go to PNC. People who want help estimating the cost of home ownership has the best option of PNC Bank, according to this report. So it was all about PNC Bank Mortgage Review by US News. You can get benefit of it both online and in person, and it's up to you which product you want to get benefit of. Thank you.